today this is going to be a short video. We are going to switch up the air pollen filter on the Mark 7, Mark 7.5 Golf GTI R. This one has the charcoal lining. It's darker than most, and it's going to hopefully eliminate the AC smell that we're all used to. First things first, open up the glove box, of course. There are two tabs on each side, one over here and one right next to this AC glove box control dial. Alright, we'll pop this up. Down it goes. And as you can tell, right in here, we have to take this out. There you go. All you have to do is kind of push it. It gets out. Right. Last one should be this one. And there are tabs here. All you have to do is pull this up, pull this up, pull this up. Should be good. Now bear with me, this cabin filter hasn't been changed in like 2 years, I think, ever since I got the vehicle. So I'm wondering how dirty it is, the moment of truth. It's okay. Actually, no, that's pretty dirty. That's disgusting. Alright, so what we're gonna do is put everything back. Now this is the OEM one. So we are making sure the arrow points down, like so. We'll zoom in. And we will go ahead and just replace it. Tab 1, tab 2, tab 3. And make sure this part goes into this. Right? Like so. And then what you have to do is kind of just push up. You're good. And that's how you change your air cabin filter on Mark 7.5, Mark 7 Golf GTI R. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys.